I'm just going to quickly ask you, so what type of roundabout do we have? Is it the mini or the major roundabout?
Major roundabout.
Major. Now, can you guess how many exits this roundabout have?
4.
Good. So where's the first one? Where's the first exit?
That one.
Left. Good. Where's the second exit?
Straight ahead.
Good. And where's the right third exit?
This one.
No, third is there, where that car is going there.
Oh, yeah.
That's your third, where the blue car is going.
Gone, yeah.
Where is the fourth exit?
Here.
Coming back here. Now, this roundabout is not controlled by the lane marking, so we use the clock method. Remember I told you? So if you're going, so you entering at 6 o'clock, so this is your 6 o'clock there, and if you're going anything after 12 o'clock, which is like 6, 9, 12, 3, so you keep your car position more to the right when you're approaching. Now we do MSPSL, don't we? So we check our mirrors, we signal right, we position right, and we start slowing down, and we start looking early. Now when we're approaching, because we're approaching slowly, what we need to be doing, start looking your right and ahead, because your imminent danger is coming from where?
The right.
And who do we give way to traffic on the?
Right.
On the roundabout, isn't it? Yeah. When you're approaching, and if there's no car coming from the right, there's no car coming from ahead, what would you do then? Final check on your glance on your left, and you start going, isn't it? Yeah. Now we're gonna go around the roundabout, and we're gonna take the fourth exit. So we're gonna come back around on the other side of the road, though. Yeah.
So we're just gonna do a full 360.
Yes, that's correct. But this is the important part, because we're taking the fourth exit. So on the first exit, you keep your car towards the far right lane. Second exit, you keep it to the far right lane. But on the third one, where this car is, where that yellow island is, at that point, you check your center in the left mirror, signal left, and position towards the left curb. It's very important.
Yeah, because we're going here, so
we're coming back here.
Yeah,
so
okay.
when you're gonna signal left, any car coming from this side, they're gonna see your signal, so they know that you're coming here, and what they would do, they would go. So this is very important. So on the major roundabouts, whenever you're going right or ahead, right, you normally give 2 signals though. Yeah. Now we're gonna take the fourth exit. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Would you like me to prompt you? Would you like me to guide you, or fully instruct you?
I think I can do it myself.
You can do by yourself. Are you okay to count the exits by yourself?
Yeah, counting them is not that hard.
Right, let's do this. Drive off when you're ready, and go around the roundabout at the fourth exit, please, for me. But about now, what you should motor right? Where's your right? Where's your right?
This.
What about the L? Are you start looking now? Anyone coming? So what do we do if nobody's coming then?
Let me go.
Okay. So count the exits, please.
1, 2.
Good.
3.
So once you 3, what you gonna do about now?
Oh, go here.
But before we go there, what you must do?
Look here.
And what else?
Signal.
Signal. Come on, signal. Yes. You mirrors, signal, then position. You did the other way around. You position first, then you check your mirror signal, though, isn't it? Yeah. But that was pretty good. I mean, you were counting, everything was good. But after the 3, when I asked you what you're gonna do, you went straight over there. Now, by doing that, what is the risk you think you have taken?
Putting others in danger.
Yeah, because anybody who behind you, for example, and because you're indicating where, right, and all of a sudden you start positioning to the left without checking the mirrors. Now, because you didn't check your mirror and you position yourself, what is the risk you have taken?
Can you repeat that, please?
Yeah. So as you were coming to the third exit, and I asked you what you're gonna do, you position yourself like this to the left. Now you didn't check your mirrors, did you? Now because you did not check your mirror and you position yourself first, what is a risk you have taken?
People coming from the left or behind there.
Yeah, so any cyclist or motorcyclist or any car undertaking you don't know, isn't it? Yeah. And also you didn't indicate as well, so people who's coming from the other direction, they don't know what your intentions are. So this is why the correct procedure is always check your
mirrors.
Then what would you do?
Signal.
And then what would you do? P.
Positioning.
Positioning.
MSP.
MSP, mirror signal position.